Good morning and welcome class 6. I am your social science teacher Namisha. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. So, in today's class we can discuss the chapter number 3 of geography. The name of this chapter is Motions of the Earth. What is the name of this chapter? Motions of the Earth. So in this chapter beta, we will read about a rotation, effects of Earth's rotation, revolution, Earth's orbit, seasons, solstice, summer and winter solstice, equinoxes, springs and autumn equinox. So in today's class we can read only rotation and effects of the Earth's rotation. So students, in the previous chapter you have learned about the shape of the earth by learning about its miniature model, the globe. Miniature model, the globe. In the previous class I have told you what is that meaning of miniature. Miniature is a small model. Okay, small model of anything. So the globe is a small model of the earth. So in the previous chapter you have learned about miniature model, the globe. So you also studied that it has an axis on it which is rotate. In this chapter beta, we shall study about the various motions of the earth and their effect also. Now the students, you must have played with the spinning top. Have you played about a spinning top, लट्टू जिसे आप बोलते हैं? It has a pin. उसके नीचे क्या होती है? एक पिन होती है. And it remains a vertical as long as spin. When it stops spinning, it falls down. Have you seen that ना? There is a spinning top और जब वो रुक जाता है, वो पिन रुक जाती है तो क्या होता है? टॉप डाउन गिर जाता है. In this chapter you studied that in the first chapter you studied that all the planets rotate in their respective axis at the different speed. In addition, you can revolve around the sun in different orbits. Let us learn more about these of movement. The first movement, that is a rotation. So the earth rotate on its axis and take a circle in 24 hours. And how many hours in a one day? Yes, 24 hours. So what is the meaning of rotation? Rotation basically beta, when the earth rotates on its its own axis. Basically rotation क्या है? Movement of the earth on its axis. What is the meaning of rotation? Movement of the earth on its axis. Now it will remain that a particular place earth would have a transferred in the same distance. So basically beta, इसको easy way में समझने के लिए we can say that the earth when it rotates in on axis. Have you seen that the sun rises from ईस्ट एंड सेट इन द वेस्ट? हम कहते हैं ना सन कहाँ से निकल रहा है? ईस्ट से, एंड सेट कहाँ हो रहा है? वेस्ट में. बट रियलिटी इज सन इज अ स्टैटिक, यानी कि सन मूव नहीं कर रहा है. सन इज इन स्टेशनरी पोजिशन. इंस्टीड ऑफ द अर्थ इज रोटेटिंग फ्रॉम वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. अर्थ कैसे रोटेट हो रही है? वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. So that is appear that sun is moving from east to west. That time we have realized that कि sun east से निकल रहा है और west में set हो रहा है. So basically बेटा, sun is a stationary body. All the planets move around from the take a rotation of the revolution of the sun. सारे ही planets sun का revolution लेते हैं. But now we can say that earth कैसे rotate होती है? from west to east. So this is similar. You are sitting in a moving train, you feel that place outside train is moving. When you are sitting in the train and sometime we felt that ना कि हमारी ट्रेन चल रही है, but actual में हम या सामने वाली ट्रेन चल रही है, but no, sometime हमारी ट्रेन मूव कर रही होती है और सामने वाली ट्रेन वहीं पर स्टॉप होती है. So this is the rotation basically. Have you seen this picture? This is the day and night. Basically beta, the movement of earth on its causes day and night. Actual में what is that meaning of rotation? Rotation की वजह से rotation causes day and night, because earth rotate in how many hours? 24 hours. And how many hours in a day? Yes, 24 hours. So the movement of the earth on its axis causes day and night. See this picture. This light from the sun falls on the face of the earth. Have you seen this? This sunlight face on the earth. This sunlight basically face on, you can draw this also beta. This light from the sun falls on one face of the earth. As the earth rotate, the portion of the earth facing the sun turns away and the side comes in a front. Have you seen this? This front side is a day and the back side is a night. Very good. So it happens gradually. Initially the sun appear on the horizon in the at angle. Okay beta? And then stars appear rising in the sky. After reaching the right on the top, gradually stars lowering into the horizon. Beta, this is how the day, noon, evening, dusk and the night happens. Have you seen this? This is the sun rays and the half portion is a day and half portion is a night. When the earth rotate, so this portion has a day and this portion has a night. So this is how the dawn, day, noon, evening, dusk and then night happen. So basically beta, you must have heard that Japan is known as the land of the rising sun. Japan is known as the rising sun. Before I'm sharing this, you can see this picture. Relative position of the earth rotate when you see a point in a space. See this, how the earth rotating. Have you seen this? All the four things, all the four pictures. No need to make this picture बेटा, आपको ये picture नहीं बनानी है. So now come that again. You must have heard about the Japan is known as the land of rising sun. Why they called the land of a rising sun? Because it is the fourth country in the east. सबसे पहले ये country east में आती है इंडिया के to get first sunlight. So first sunlight of a new day thus is got a title. ठीक है? So the axis of earth is not a vertical. Have you seen in the space there is a tilt angle? Tilt at the angle of 66.5 degree tilted. बेटा see in this picture, आपको ये picture देखकर easily समझ आएगा. So हमारी अर्थ ऐसा स्ट्रेट में नहीं है. See this, ऐसा स्ट्रेट में आपको नहीं दिखेगी. See this, ऐसा 90 डिग्री में नहीं है. Our earth and the both the poles are tilted. Tilted means थोड़ा झुका हुआ. In the 66.5 degree tilted है. Okay? So this tilt has some effect on the earth. However we shalt earth affect the later, we can see the motion of the earth around the sun. So have you seen this also? Now effect of the earth rotation. What is the impact or what is the effect of the earth will rotate? The rotation of the earth make it fit for life. Beta, only the earth is a planet which have a life. Okay, so that is why earth is called a unique planet. So the rotation fit for life. So there are lot of things that depends on the earth rotation. Okay, so lot of things like life, our life, vegetation, each and everything depends on a earth rotation. So we can see this and we read also, let us happen if earth stop rotating. अगर अर्थ रोटेट नहीं होती तो what is the causes and what we problem we are facing, now we are reading that. Only one part would be facing the sun, it would be remain day and one side night on the rest. even if earth will not rotate, अगर earth rotate नहीं होती, so what is the first problem? That is कि only half portion is always a day throughout the year and half portion is always the night throughout the year. The heat falling on a one side of the earth continuously, we made the sun facing side extremely hot and other will extremely cold. The area who are front from the sun, you are facing part of the sun, that area is throughout the summer fully year throughout the year, and half portion is facing extremely cold throughout the year. Life would not happen being possible on earth will be, अगर हमारी अर्थ पर बेटा एक्सट्रीमली कोल्ड हो जाएगा या एक्सट्रीमली हॉट हो जाएगी, सो उसकी वजह से लाइफ अर्थ पर इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू बी लाइफ ऑन अ अर्थ. द विंड एंड ओशन करंट वुड बी वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दे व्हाट दे आर. और ना ही हमारी ओशंस में वेव आएंगी, ना ही विंड रोटेट होगी, विंड ब्लो करेगी. सी दिस पिक्चर बेटा, दिस पिक्चर यू हैव टू मेक इट. So have you, I am saying again, because beta if earth is not rotate, अगर earth rotate नहीं होगी, so the half portion has a always a day and half portion is always a night. If earth will not rotate, so this part is having a summer or extremely hot and this part is a extremely cold. And if the if there is too hot, if there is too cold, so life is not possible on the earth and winds and ocean current would be not for that time. So beta, this keyword you have to do in your notebook, and this only this picture you can make in your notebook. Thank you so much students.